everyone, this is Fai, and today I'm gonna show you a makeup look using CLIO Pro Eye Palette Street Gray. I really like the color combination in this palette. It's really worth the money, trust me. Alright, now let's start with the tutorial. First, I'm going to do the base makeup first. I'm going to make a glowy skin for this makeup look because who doesn't like glowy skin nowadays? And then I'm going to contour my nose and my face. Yes, I did this to make my face look slimmer. Originally, I wanted to buy the new Clear Street Pastel palette, but I don't really like the color. They are just too pale in my opinion, so I end up buying this one. Next, I'm going to make my eyebrows slightly thick and curved like this. And combine the eyebrow pencil with eyebrow powder to create a soft eyebrow lid. For the eye makeup, I'm gonna apply this orangey brown color as the base eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna apply the dusty pink color on top of it by using medium brush, and also apply it onto the lower lid like this. Next, I'm gonna apply a shimmery shadow onto the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm gonna apply a glitter eyeshadow onto my upper lid. This one has more particles, so you probably cannot see it in the camera. And now I'm gonna create up with this brick color. I'm gonna apply it onto the outer and inner part of my eyelid and blend it evenly. Blend, blend, and blend. And then this is the main part. Applying this glitter eyeshadow onto the middle part of my eyelid. It's gonna make the eye makeup look pretty. It is really pretty. And then apply darker brown shadow onto the outer corner of my eyes and along the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna finish off the makeup with eyeliner, mascara, and false lashes. Anyway, what's your favorite CLIO Pro eye palette? I like the Simple Pink and the Street Gray. You can find my tutorial using the Simple Pink palette on my channel. Choose short line false lashes for natural look. Next, for the blusher, I'm gonna mix two colors, ginger brown and pinkish fake color. I'm gonna apply it slightly horizontal like this. Last, for the lips, I'm gonna make a glassy lips by applying this orange brick glass lip tint all over my lips. And the makeup is done. This is the finished look. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments below, and support me by sharing and liking this video. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.